Have a seat. If your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a rainbow of hope. And so, we are privileged to have a great rainbow, none other than Sister Neeta, who inspires us to print a rainbow and bring hope. She is now going to share the rays of rainbow as she reads the annual school report 2024-25.
Dear parents, could I kindly request all of you not to move? Please do not go that side to the classes. Kindly sit. Will you kindly sit, parents? Please do not move at the back and go that side. Your children are in the safe hands. Their big didis are with them. They are looking after them. Teachers are there. Please, parents, come on. I still see some are moving that side. Sit down. And please maintain silence. Dear Sister Catherine Gonsalves, FDCC Provincial Councillor, our manager and superior of the community, Sister Natalia de Mello, sisters, loving parents, and all the wonderful people gathered here. This is a colorful day for the students, teachers, and very especially to our dear parents. As I stand here to reflect on the journey 2024-2025 as pilgrims of hope, first and foremost, I lift up my grateful heart to God, our founders, Saint Magdalene of Canossa and Saint Joseph, the patron of this institute, for the colorful blessings showered on Canossa Kindergarten. Education is not filling a bucket, but lighting a fire, says William B. Yeats. Yes, friends, it's very true. Canossa Kindergarten's commitment in nurturing young minds has yielded remarkable fruits, a testament to the dedication and hard work of our management, teachers, parents, and students. According to our vision and mission statement, we strive to prepare all our children, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, to grow by imbibing values with dignity as a child of God. The power of education is to transform lives. The year 2024 unlocked the colorful door for our students to grow along. This year, we had all the meetings for the parents of all the 3 sections, either class-wise or 2 classes together, to have better rapport in the classroom itself. Every meeting commenced with short press service, motivation talk, and other important matters. On 4th April, we had meetings for the parents of nursery class children class-wise. The parents had a talk titled as "Your child is a light in your home and the role of the parent to keep it burning." On 6th April, we had a meeting and talk for the junior section parents. Your child is a precious gift and parents' role was the topic of the talk. On the 1st June 2024, the school reopened for senior and junior KG, and on 3rd of the same month for nursery. Besides the regular functioning of classroom studies, we also had various co-curricular activities every month. Every activity held in a school is correlated for the formation of the heart and mind. The various activities conducted are fancy dress, show and tell, my favorite toy, coloring, drawing, dance, recitation, storytelling, diya decoration, card making, wealth out of waste, etc. All the activities had a theme. In July, 7 teachers participated in a day's seminar, Early Childhood Education for Transformation. The students of senior and junior KG answered their first term exams in the month of August. Open day was held in the first week of September. We had motivation talk for the parents of both the sections separately. In the last week of September, nursery answered their exams. In October, we had an open day for their parents. Had a motivation talk class-wise. We gave our students the chance to step on the stages of other schools. Our students took part in the inter-school solo fancy dress competition held by the English medium school. And happy to say, first and second prizes are owned by our students competing with so many schools. Our children also took part in St. Paul's Ignis inter-school solo competitions in 4 different categories. In coloring competition, our student won the first prize, and in singing, our student won the 3rd prize. Very soon, our students will answer their second term exam, followed by Christmas celebration, picnic, etc. Before the completion of the academic year 2024-2025, they have more colors to add to the rainbow. It gives me immense joy to say that behind every performance is the dedicated hand of the teachers, and the force before that and after that is none other than our manager, Sister Natalia Gemello. With great joy, they have prepared the children. My dear friends and teachers, our teachers at this moment deserve a round of applause. You continue? Yes. Thank you. All that you have seen on the stage, it's not the work of an outside choreographer. We have here, there are 15 or 14 of them, all of them have prepared the children without any outside choreographers. Dear teachers, I say a big thank you, and may Saint Magdalene bless you. And now, I request the senior teachers to come up. Senior teachers. Now, dear parents, we have some surprise. On the 1st March 2023, we, the Canossian sisters all over the world, had an opening function to commemorate 250th birth anniversary of our foundress, Saint Magdalene. The closing celebration was held on 2nd October 2024. During the entire year, various activities were held in the school. To mark this historical event, here at Canossa Kindergarten, we had a special activity for senior KG students along with their parents. parents, especially mothers. The portion for the value education was 6 values. After finishing one topic by the teacher in the class, the child had to do an activity in their book along with their parents. Books are maintained by all, but few have journeyed with their child by putting in hard and dedicated work. The parents had also to prepare their children for dance, for recitation, for storytelling, for singing on the values. And all have tried, but here are few of them who have really journeyed with their children. And I want to say, next month on Open Day, all the books will be displayed for all of you to see. May Saint Magdalene bless you, dear parents. And here we have few students. We cannot give prizes for all, but we have here few of them who have put in their hard work along with their parents. I call upon the senior teachers to do the honor.
I request Sister Catherine and Sister Natalia to do the hand honor. Amna Jamadar, along with her mother. Aradhya Patil, along with her mother. Ira Khanum Patan, along with her mother. Mariam Aga, along with her mother. Myra Gokak, Sakshi Badige, Sakshi Kenwadkar, along with her mother. Sanskriti Datikar, Sanvi Patil, Lodekar, and Tanishri Patil. Thank you, Sister Catherine and Sister Natalia, for gracing this moment with your support and blessings. Means a lot to all of us. Thank you so much.
Here at Canossa